Associate Professor Nguyễn from the University of Newcastle.
I'm Professor Maureen Dollard. I'm from the University of South Australia.
I'm Michelle. I'm actually from Malaysia and I'm part of the scientific committee.
Muhammad Awak Idris. I'm Professor in Work Psychology. I'm from UC Malaya, Malaysia.
My name is Andrew Noblet. I'm a Professor in Organisational Behaviour at Deakin University in Australia.
I'm Quentin Durand-Moreau. I'm an Associate Professor of Occupational Medicine at the University of Alberta in Canada.
I'm inspired to see the scholars from different countries learning from their scholarly research, but also we try to create a social impact and influence on the policies that how organizations can help employees.
Oh, I've been so inspired by all the people that are here, the excitement that people have and how generous people are with their understandings and learnings, and yeah, it's just been phenomenal actually. I've really appreciated.
I think it's really well organized. The whole checking in, registration, the whole presentation, the catering, the lineup of the presentation. It's really good. I really enjoy myself.
I think it's been a very engaging and very topical conference. Each presentation that I've been to has provided some really interesting insights that have helped me and I think will help the field at the same time. So I've been most impressed with the standard of the research being presented.
Wow, I think very amazing because we can see a lot of people from different culture, different country as well, and then the topic of research is very impressive as well.
Yes.
And then I think most of the researchers, they're doing a very good research.
It was an amazing conference. It was a huge success. The attendance was really good. We had similar numbers compared to our previous edition in Tokyo, so it means that the success is maintaining. It's a very niche topic in occupational health, so we have here all of the experts in a very specific topic. So it was the place to be here. So I think it's going to be a matter of building up the connections and the collaborations. We have had some events during this conference who's been designed to foster those collaborations, such as the Global Policy Roundtable, which has been kind of a central event where experiences from all different countries have been shared, and this would likely lead to some paper that we would work on together, and likely possibly a similar event in the next conference. Those policy papers are really important in our field.